Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss about rhabdomyolysis. As you see in this diagram, myolysis means muscles damage, we can say muscle tissues. Breakdown of muscle tissues is known as rhabdomyolysis. Let's discuss what are the causes of rhabdomyolysis. It's excessive or vigorous exercises, weightlifting, severe weightlifting, or seizures. Why seizures? Because there is increased muscle contraction. Delirium tremens, same like as seizures. Muscle ischemia and trauma or crush injuries. This is known as compartment syndrome. Trauma and crush injury. Whereas DKA, diabetic ketoacidosis, and some drug causes rhabdomyolysis, like patient on statins, lipid lowering drugs, cocaine users, or alcoholics, we can see rhabdomyolysis. As you see in this diagram, myoglobin oxidant injury, which causes ischemia and ATP depletion and inflammation, and when these stuck in a proximal convoluted tubules in kidney, and which causes rhabdomyolysis and renal failure. Okay, what we see, how to remember the signs and symptoms. You see this box, reddish brown color urine. See what happens here. Muscle pain. First symptom, muscle pain occur. When pain is occur, then fever happens. Second one, fever in a body, high temperature. When there is high temperature, then due to high temperature, third one is tachycardia. Tachycardia occurs, pulse rate high. Muscle pain causes fever, fever causes tachycardia, and due to this it causes hypotension fourth, and due to hypotension there is development of metabolic acidosis. You can memorize in this manner. And dark reddish brown urine due to we can say dehydration, or due to breakdown of muscle products like myoglobulins excreted in urine and muscle products. That's why. Okay, let's see how to diagnose. Diagnosis by CPK like it includes in muscles. CPK MB, it's seen in elevated in heart diseases. CPK BB, that is raised in brain. But we see overall here CPK is raised, myoglobulin, we can see CMP. In urine analysis we see hematuria, reddish brown urine. ABG, we see metabolic acidosis here, metabolic acidosis in rhabdomyolysis. How to treat? Treatment is prevention, find the cause, early detection, IV fluid 2 to 6 liter based on CK levels, or correct the electrolytes abnormalities, monitoring the renal function. Let's see. Now this diagram is very simple, like afferent arterioles, and what happens here, the muscle breakdown products stuck in the nephrons. And predictors of AKI, acute kidney injury, that is CK more than 6000, dehydration, increase acidity, increase sodium due to dehydration. Sepsis, we see hyperkalemia and hypoalbuminemia, we see renal failure symptoms here. Okay guys, proximal convoluted tubules, creatinine kinase increase, myoglobin aggregations, which causes inflammation to the kidney. So guys, I hope regarding rhabdomyolysis is very much understandable for you. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me in a comment box. And if you like this video, put like on it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.